Hello everyone, I think I spotted a woodpecker by the nest up on the birch tree, and it's something that I've been looking for a while. It's quite difficult in these woodlands of Italy to get the woodpecker while he's picking or climbing up the tree. It's up there. See also how much we need to camouflage to be able to spot something over here. But let's focus on the bird. I'm using a Canon 100-400 5.6, pretty good, full extended 400mm. I don't have any extender. Monopod is quite good, really helps stabilize the shot. Wearing camouflage clothing and covering myself with this kind of net, camouflage net. Okay, stay tuned, hope I can show you something nice. Subscribe to the channel, put like if you like it. Bye.